Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video I will show you how to manage your Titan Web project versions with GitHub. Alright, so we have here our demo Titan Web project, and let's head over to our project settings and head over to tools, and we'll enable versions. And we all know how the versions work. So every time we save something, we save a version of it, and then if you want to revert back to your earliest version, you just click it and you revert back to that version. In this video, I'll show you how to do all that with GitHub, which will enable you to track your versions better, write comments, you can collaborate, and get all the features that GitHub gives you. So before we actually go ahead and use GitHub, let's authenticate with GitHub. So what we will do is we'll head over to our account settings. So my account, we're in the account settings. We'll head over to push settings logs, and we will grant access to GitHub, and I'll sign in. And let's take a look at our GitHub. Everything is perfect. And while we're there, let's create a new repo. So create a new one. We'll say Titan Web. We'll say demo. I'll create this one. Let's just put a file in there. And we'll commit. Okay, let's head back to our project and we'll do the same. So tools, enable versions, use GitHub. Now we'll be able to select our repositories, and I'll select Titan Web, and you can select branches. So obviously if you have multiple branches on your repo, you can create new ones and then commit your project to whatever branch you want it committed to. Okay, so we'll select our main branch since we only have one, and I'll hit apply. And now watch this, we have a new way to interact with GitHub directly from here. So whenever we want to commit it, and regardless to our publish or to our save, we can do it directly from GitHub, or when we publish, we can just write comment. So initial commit, and I'll say either push or save without commit if I just saved it. So I'll click push to GitHub, and right now, aside from saving it to my to our web project, we will get also our save into our GitHub. So we can see our latest commit, initial commit, and let's move on and see our other options. So let's do something like this. Let's add something noticeable. Let's add a shape. We'll do a heart. And let's fill it with some color so we can see it. Perfect. Put it over here. And what I will do is save. And now we just saved it. We didn't commit nothing to GitHub. What we can do at any stage, we can head over here and say added triangle. And I can do push or save without commit. I'll do push. And if I'll head over here, we will see added a triangle. And now we'll reach to the coolest part. So I'll head back to tools and I'll do enable versions. I'll click it. I'll click the settings, and now we can see all of our commits. So we have our initial commit and we can use it. So let's use this, and we can see that our triangle is gone. And if I'll head back and head back to tools, I'll configure the versions and I'll select the added a triangle. We'll get the triangle back, and you can see already how powerful this is. So we'll go back to our project, and let's just add an input. Put this one over here. Let's leave it as it is, and it goes without saying that if I'll head over to, for instance, Salesforce integration, and let's add another get, and I'm not going to map anything. I'm just going to say onload, hit apply, didn't map nothing. Same thing goes for push. Let's just clone this. And I'll say cloned. And I'll hit apply. I'll close. And let's save this to GitHub. Text area and push and get. And I'll push it to GitHub. Let's take a look at our GitHub repo. And we have it right here. And let's head back to our versions. So tools, enable versions, and let's revert back to the triangle. And we only get the triangle. Our text area is gone. And if we'll head back to our Salesforce integration, we can see only the account get, and we have just one contact push. So let's revert back to our latest version. And let's take a look at our Salesforce. This is just an instance. Any settings you'll put in here will be saved to the repository once you push it to the repo, and like so you can manage your site versions. And here we get all the latest data. And this is how it's done.